Hello and welcome to another video in Zotero series. In this video, I'll be showing how to cite using Zotero in your Google Doc and your Microsoft Word. So first, using Google Docs. So as a quick recap, we have our Zotero main bar, and then we have the Zotero shortcut, which is on the right. Yeah, Zotero site shortcuts. And from the Zotero main bar, we have different options that allows you to make changes to your Zotero in the particular Google Doc. But we'll talk more about that in the next video. So Zotero site is the one that has the shortcut Control Alternate C. So if we have a sample sentence we want to cite and click Control Alternate C, for the first time it brings up a panel that allows you to connect your Zotero to this particular Google Doc. So you click on the account that you want to link it with, and then you accept the agreements because we have no choice. Then click on continue. Continue, and then you wait for it to load and connect. Then once it does this, once you can see this particular overshadowed page, it shows that you have Zotero running like a second pop-up screen. So you have to go back to your Zotero app. Then you can see pop-up screen to the right. Very important. So when you click on that for the first time, it gives you a default document preference page. It tells you, okay, what preference style do you want to use in this particular document? So that's the standard. So I'm using Vancouver, and there are more options, but I'll talk about in the next video. When you click on OK, it tells you that, okay, what particular paper do you want to reference? So I'm going to be referencing um Darren Sky, which is like the first paper that I have there. So once I click on that, it gives me paper, then I click enter, and it's automatically cites that. So remember that Vancouver uses number system, so we can see the number beside the sentence. So if I have another sentence I want to cite, you can control and it's C also, which is shortcut to use. And then it also brings up this pop-up screen. So I want to cite the second paper that I have in my Zotero, which is Lee et al. But I thought it was Liu, so I typed in the wrong surname. But then I was able to realize that these were not the papers I wanted because they did not rhyme with the topic, which is lung cancer, if you remember. So in a way, as much as it's possible that you'd have um different authors with the same name, but then you have to like note the topic or the title of the article to be sure that you're picking the right reference. So I had to go back and make some changes before I realized that. So I went back to type in the article name since that was easier for me to remember. Then I saw that it was Lee. Then I click on enter. So that way I was sure that I was picking the right paper to reference. Very, very important. You don't want to reference a wrong paper. So this way I've done individual referencing, but then it's possible that for a particular sentence you want to reference more than one paper. So by the time you go back to the in-text, it gives an option to make edits. So let's say I want to add the Lee et al. I made the same error here. I had not realized. I just typed the title since that was easier for me to remember. And then, yeah, I ended up typing the title again. And then I found that it was Lee et al. So, problem solved. So, yeah. Sometimes you might make a mistake and cancel. As much as you remember the initial paper you wanted to cite, you can always run it again. So now I have my Lee et al. And I press enter. So that way I have two references cited for a particular sentence. Sometimes you can have more than 3, 4 references that you want to cite. So you can always make edits to that. So now the next thing is, how do I now generate my bibliography, my reference list? I just created a header references and go back to your main Zotero bar. You can see add edit bibliography, very important. Let me click on that. It automatically generates the bibliography where your keyboard cursor is, very important. So you have to make sure your keyboard cursor is on the line that you want to um do that. So to cite in MS Word, same process. It's just you navigating options. So in MS Word, remember that the Zotero is in a different location, and we have the head citation and the other options to the left. Let's say I have a sample sentence that I want to cite. I go to my Zotero. There are no shortcuts here. I have to go through the icons. Then it gives you the initial pop-up stage. I remember I said that for Microsoft Word, Zotero is faster because it's running locally. So the same references that I used for the previous ones are the ones I'm picking. And I know it is Lee and not Liu, so it's faster for me. And like that, then if I want to generate my reference list, I just have to type reference as a header to just differentiate. Then I keep my cursor where I want the references to be. And I click on the icon, the bigger and it automatically does all that for me. So really very simple to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.